Now that most of your dream kitchen has been installed, finishing touches can begin. This is the time to fit pull-out baskets, as they have delicate glass sides that you'll want to avoid damaging during the install process. Simply push the brackets into the holes at the required height and secure the baskets on top. Filler panels can be screwed into place and final adjustments can be made to the height of the kitchen doors. Time for the appliances to be installed. This will include the oven, along with fitting doors to integrated appliances like dishwashers, and fridges. Sit back and admire your prepped kitchen. We've built our reputation on providing high-quality products that are easy to install, and we'll support you every step of the way to ensure your new kitchen is a space that suits your lifestyle.